Yo, yo, yo. Can you guys hear me? C. What does this do? Oh, that's not what I want to do. Hold on. There we go. I'm here. Make this a little bit smaller. That's good. Yo, yo. Yo, yo. I think I always say yo, yo. How are you guys? How's everyone doing? I think I'll put myself way up here so I can look down on you. No, I'm kidding. I don't think Brandon's gonna be here today. I forget what he said. I know he's I know he was going through some medical stuff. Do y'all remember if he said he was gonna be here? I wonder if he finished his project. Discord does not make it easy to search through messages. It's actually more confusing. Oh no, he said he's not even close to finishing. He hasn't had time. So, okay, I don't expect he's gonna have a project. No code Dan. Now it's really a party. Let me move this over here on this side, and you guys can read the chat a little bit easier. Ow. Me and Brandon get failing grades then. Travis, we're still going to review it. Dude, it doesn't matter how simple the app is or how complex the app is. It's just fun. I took a quick look at your at what you posted, but I didn't want any spoilers. I still want to review it live. It's high school all over again. We're just cooking up. For show me. I like that. For show me. Soli, how's the weather over there? I'm watching that area for any like developing storms coming my way, but I know like they typically form where you are, which I think is a big coincidence. Or maybe not. But I know you guys are having a lot of rain right now, I think, right? Laura forgot to complete the assignment. Ah. I don't think Claire is going to be here either, but she did send me her repo. Matt as well. I don't think Matt's going to be able to make it. Rain, 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 rain. Yeah, you guys are getting slammed right now. There's something trying to form pretty much where you guys are at, and it's trying to get into the Gulf this week. And I don't know. From what I'm seeing, I don't think it's going to turn into anything, especially not a hurricane, but, you know, they thought the same thing with Milton, and Milton ended up being massive. So you keep all that stuff over there with you, Soli. Don't let it get into the Gulf. Also, I don't know what order we should go in to show off all these projects, unless you think we should make like some sort of like random an app that just spits out a random person who's got something to show. We could do that, or if you guys want to just see something, we could just do it that way. I did over the weekend, had heavy criticisms too. So I think Soli, you just have a design, right? I believe that's what you said. I'm excited. I'm excited to see. Who else is in the chat? Can we get like a roll call? Especially if you have a project to review, so I can put you on a list so I can make sure we get to your project. And Travis, I'm going to put your name in there because we're going to review yours anyway. So if you want to just show us screenshots or you want to give us the code, whatever, up to you. Unless you just don't even want us to show it. Yep, I got a 1-pager. Nice. Nice. All right, I'm going to make a list. Let me go over here. I'm going to put this over here in Discord. So it'll be a little easier. Where is... Oh, here we go. All right, so we got Rohal. We got No Code Dan. I'm gonna just put Dan. Who else? Who else is in the chat that has a project? We got Casia, our ghost, our little chat ghost. There's not much more to it than the screenshots I posted, but I'll get it in a repo real quick in case others don't show. We can have a laugh. We won't laugh. I'll add you to it. So Travis, I'll put me in there. I got one. I'm gonna put Matt, even though he's not here. He did send me his repo this morning, and he's excited to watch the replay. So we'll get him in there. I also have Claire's. I don't think she's gonna make it either, but it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 so far. Oh, plus Soli. So that's 8. All right, so far I got 8 projects we're gonna be reviewing. I'm gonna list these out. If I missed you, just let me know. We got Rohal. We got Dan, Casia, Travis, Dustin, that's me, Matt, Claire, Soli. I try my bestest. Who's this? Hello, I made it. Excited. Welcome. Who are you? Let's get a name so I can not remember and end up calling you Terrence. Oh, it is Claire. Sweet. Claire's here. I was going to share your repo, Claire. I didn't think you were going to make it, but I'm happy you're here. The only people that could laugh are people that has never tried doing a project. True. Very true. Words of wisdom right there. No one should laugh at anyone for trying, ever. Ever. I'm excited Claire's here. Haven't talked to Claire in forever. I got home in time, looking forward to seeing how everyone has done on the project. Gonna be awesome. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm super excited. Let's see, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, still got 8. Just want to make sure everyone who's submitted or will want their project reviewed lets me know. So if you want your project reviewed, let me know in the chat. I think in the meantime, I'm gonna make a quick CD desktop directory, random user CD random user cursor. I'm gonna make a quick little random user generator or something, and we're gonna figure out what order we're gonna show these. Y'all cool with that? I guess we could run this with node const users. I'm gonna put these in order. So I got Rohal, I got Dustin, I've got Casia, I've got Travis, got Dan, got Matt, got Claire, and if I spell any of your names wrong, I'm sorry. Soli. Woot woot, let's do it. Cool. Hello to you too. All right. I lost count redoing mine. We'll say console.log users dot. We'll say math dot random. I hope I do this right. I haven't done this in a minute. I think it's math. Hold on. I think it's math dot floor, math dot random times users dot length. Right? That should be it. We'll see. Lost count amount times I broke mine. Haha. I mean, if it makes you guys feel any better, my app's not finished either, and I have got so many bugs with it. And it broke several times along the way. Actually, one day I had like an entire day where I was just going to work on my app, and the entire day It's kind of like what happened with Rohal. Like it just stopped working. Like, and I didn't know why. And of course I didn't push any changes or do anything like that. So it was a lot of me just trying to troubleshoot what I did wrong and trying not to, you know, remove too much code to figure it out. So before we get started, does anybody want to, I mean, I don't know how intricate some of these apps are or how basic they are, but did anybody learn anything? I learned about debouncing. I never knew what that was until I was looking at a way to best showcase movies while someone's typing. I thought that was really cool, and I'm probably going to use that a ton in future projects. And I think even Claire got a little taste of debouncing too. Yeah. I didn't even know what that was. I never heard about it. And I Googled it. I was like, man, I don't want to hit this API every keystroke. But, so I did a little Googling and I found this word debouncing. So I looked it up and it was not hard to implement whatsoever. All right. Are you guys ready? Let's see who's going first. Node app.js. Is that all I gotta do? It says undefined. What did I do wrong here? Times users not length. Nah, this should be right. Did I do something wrong? It's been a hot minute since I've run an app just inside Node. Did it save? Node app.js. Undefined. Console.log users. Let's just make sure this is even working. Okay, cool. So it is working. I sure did. I learned that I should never underestimate the UX principles. I learned no matter what, how small or how fun the project is. Very, very true. Users, we're going to say math.floor, math.random times users.length. I think that's it, right? Did I just spell it wrong in the beginning? Okay, cool, it works. It chose me first, but I'm gonna clear this. If it chooses me again first, then we're just gonna go with it. I'll show mine first. So glad even you can't always remember JavaScript. Gives me hope. Just so you know, the amount of like Googling I had to do just to build my app was crazy. I chose to use something I haven't used really before, especially on such a, like I said, I kind of went big on my project. I used Next.js for some routing, and I had never done that before, so it was a really cool learning experience. I figured if I had a month and I was gonna give like an hour a day to it, I was gonna do something cool. So I'm glad I got to learn a little bit of Next.js. But I built mine in React/Next.js and Tailwind for the CSS. All right, if you guys are ready, let's see who's first. Soli is first. So take Soli out of here so it doesn't call her again. Soli, since yours is a design, do you want to like DM it to me? And then I show it. How do you want to do that? Somehow I knew it was gonna be you too. I don't know how I knew you were gonna be first, but I just knew it. That's funny. Hey, this is truly random. You see the code here. I didn't do anything to make that happen. Only because I cleared the console. The first one didn't count. I was just making sure that the code worked. You know what I mean? If it was meant to be for me to go first, it would have pinged me again. DM incoming. All right, let's see what we got. I'm excited. Super excited. Also, before I click on it and show it to everyone, do you want to explain anything about it, or do you want me to just go over it? Because if you want to explain anything or give us any sort of preface, I'd like you to do that if you have it before I just jump right on in. But completely up to you. Hey, Rohal, did you end up getting yours working? Or at least, like, not broken? I know you didn't finish it, I don't think. Woo! Streamception. All right, I got a Figma file from Soli. Let's check this out. Open it up here. No spoilers. No spoilers. Can I open this up in my... Nah, it's in the browser. Ooh. All right, so hold on. Before I before I show this, man, Soli, I wish you'd have like done this like ASAP, and then I could have, since you just have a design, I wish I could have coded this out. This looks awesome. All right, are you guys ready? By the way, if anyone's familiar with like the default Slack theme, this gives me Slack vibes and I love it. Y'all check this out. She called it Chick Flicks. Okay, so you get 10 points for the name. That's an awesome name for sure. Whoa, zoom in too much. You can check out the staging deployment, which is working perfectly except for GitHub OAuth. Feel like I need a drum roll. I don't know if my mic even picked that up, but I did a drum roll. For some reason, the real production deployment is broken. Apply has some issues, so I think it's not on me. We'll take a look. All right, so first off, I'm really liking the UI and the color scheme, especially the sidebar. I definitely went with the Chick Flicks. I'm actually, one thing I was super excited about all week thinking about this stream is just hearing everyone's names. I feel like everyone's got a really cool name from what I've seen so far, which makes me feel like I didn't put enough time and effort into my name, but we'll see. We'll get to it. So first off, the color scheme is amazing. I love this. And this sidebar background color, it screams Slack, and I love it. I love Slack. When you coding it out, looks really great. I would love to see this coded out. You should totally do it, Soli. So this is just a one pager, right? Like none of this is gonna click to go anywhere. I just want to make sure. I like how the trending is like right up in your face too. T2's here. Pick a name, I'm still the same. I like that slogan. Pick a name, I'm still the same. What's up, Terrence? Definitely gonna code it out soon. We definitely want to see this, even if you show it on the next community project. I like this unicorn. Is this your account avatar? See, I thought Twitch My Dev was Matt. I can never remember week to week. I'm also liking these sections. I like that you have this little heart up here to heart something. And it's super easy to see it too. And then you got your categories, which looks like you got to drop down for all. This is super nice. Very clean for a one pager too. User profile. Soli's using the zoom in. Does it zoom in for y'all when I do this? Zoom in or no? I wonder if it does. I feel like it would. Does it zoom in for you guys? Because I'm doing like a zoom with like the accessibility features. Okay, sweet. All right, give me 1 second, guys. Hold on. All right. It's zooming, but not responsive. No, I'm just like zooming like this. I'm not like actually changing anything on the UI. So since you just joined, Terrence, this is just, she just did a mock-up. So shameless plug, if anyone wants to code this out, that'd be cool. Be a cool project. I already got the mock-up ready. But yeah, I love this, Soli. This is a good job. So is there a reason or a difference to these being highlighted versus these not being highlighted? Does that mean you've watched them? Or is it just highlighting the top three? Spotted the cat in the background. Yeah, look at him. Sleeping back there. He's always sleeping. It's his nap time. Just for the top 3? Nice. It definitely stands out versus all the rest, so that's awesome. Speaking of the Princess Diaries, anyone a fan of the Princess Diaries? I'm not ashamed to admit that I love the Princess Diaries, and there's a new one coming out. There's a 3rd one. I don't know if you guys saw that. Anne Hathaway, I think is her name, right? She posted a spoiler saying that they're making a 3rd one. So I'm hyped for that. And you guys can tease me all you want. I don't care. I'm a big fan of the Princess Diaries. It was one of my shows. It was one of my favorite movies growing up. Travis 2. Oh my god, I love the Princess Diaries. Did y'all know that there was a 3rd one coming out? She teased it like a week ago, actually. I'm excited for it, that's for sure. Ooh, there's a gradient bar version. Yeah, let's check that out before we go on to the next one. I really, really like this Soli. Super clean, super minimal, and it's not super like everything in your face all at once either. Guess we can close this. Don't need the terminal open anymore. All right, here is a gradient bar. Ooh, I like that. That actually kind of matches the logo and the ring around your avatar too. Ooh, what do y'all like more? Ooh, and it matches the so basically it's part of your color palette, it looks like. Partner didn't like this one so much and I agreed. I don't know, I kind of like it. Great use of Figma too, definitely something I want to play with more. Figma is amazing. Pretty much anything that I build, I have to have some sort of visual, like, yeah, I have ideas in my brain, but I have to have something visual to work off of. So I typically take my thoughts and kind of form them into Figma, and then from Figma I go to developing. Casia is a big fan of the gradient. I am too. Gradient looks clean. I like it. It kind of brings out the primary colors for the color palette out a little bit more too. Dan says it creates more separation, so I like it, but I like them both too. Yeah, I definitely like them both too. I'm definitely a big fan of the gradient though. Kind of brings it all together. Either way, it's sick. Good job, Soli. Soli, did you do this last minute too? Like, was this like the whole thing was done yesterday or something? Or today maybe? Or did you work on this for a while? Because I feel like we've talked and you haven't done anything towards it like the entire month. Hey, for a last minute homework, you did pretty good. I could not bang something out like this quickly, so props to you. All right, I did it on Saturday night. Yeah, not bad. You got almost a full week. That's cool then. The category list is a little harder to see on the gradient. I'm very, in my humble opinion. Oh yeah, I do agree. I think it is a little bit more prominent on this one. Yeah, it is, because these are kind of lighter colors versus this darker header here. I could go either way. I think I'd lean more towards the gradient though, just because it's pretty. Yes, very nice. Could use some of them design skills for future projects. You know, I was thinking too, you know, since we do have a lot of designers on the team too, and some people just want to do designs, you know, feel free to work with someone. You know, if Soli and Dan, or, you know, Soli or anyone wants to like team up, one of y'all do the design, one of y'all do the coding, that's cool too. That'd actually be kind of cool. Be a good way to get some experience too, working with someone else. Yeah, super good job, Soli. All right, the bar has been set. The bar has definitely been set. All right, who are we doing next? Let me make sure Soli's out of the list. Yeah, Soli's out. All right, we're gonna run this again. All right, who's it gonna be? Drum roll if anyone heard it. Claire. Claire is next. And I believe she tried her best. Claire, did you send me your repo, or do you have an updated repo, or do you want to send it in the chat? I always try my best. Ha. Yeah, collabs would be fun. I think that'd be such a cool thing to do, especially because we don't always have a lot of time too. So if we have a month to do it, you know, someone wants to do a design, someone wants to code it out. You know, some people have great code skills, not as much design, and vice versa. Be a good way to collab. I think that'd be a cool, fun idea. Let me bring this full screen so you guys could kind of see the chat a little bit easier. I feel like I am blinding y'all with this though. I have an idea. All right, I got Claire's code right here. Let's see. Why is this drop down not working? Oh, it's GitHub's loading. Shame to follow Soli, fab design. Mine is very basic. It is totally okay. We're just here to have some fun. That's it. Movie search already exists. All right. I might have your repo on here because I think I helped you with it. All right. CD movie search cursor. All right. Here's Claire's project. Y'all ready? Do you want to explain anything about it, or do you want to just dive right into it, Claire? I did indeed. Thank you. Yeah, there wasn't a whole lot for me to have to go through either. Your code was very well written. It was very organized too, which is definitely a plus if you're helping. Very basic, just simple search and modal for more info. All right, let's take a look. Ooh, straight to the point. I like this. Is it responsive? It looks responsive. I'll give you guys a heads up. Mine is not responsive. I simply did not have time to have to also want to worry about mobile, so I didn't. All right, let's type in Beetlejuice. Oh, I didn't even have to hit search. It just did it. Oh, so I guess you got your debouncing code to work, huh, Claire? Nice. Cool, so I get all of my... Hold on, the chat's super laggy for me. Mine's only responsive for less than 500 pixels. Probably the same here. Oh, so Claire gets extra points for doing mobile first. You know, we do teach that here at Treehouse, and it's funny that we didn't do it. I just didn't think I'd have time, to be honest, but I probably should have. It is best practice. That's fire. Love the UX. Yeah, for sure. I thought I was gonna have to click search, which is not a big deal, but you know, it's a whole extra step you making the user do. So being able to type makes a big difference. And it doesn't automatically start when I start typing, but it looks like after probably a few milliseconds, it pings that API with what's in the search bar. So good use of debouncing with that. Love it. I should have removed the search button, but oh well. Nah, it's good to still have it. It's good. Some people, you know, may still want to click it. Mighty Iron Elf. What is up? 500 milliseconds? Cool. Yeah, I think that's what I did too. Something like 300 or 500 milliseconds. Very nice, that debounce. Absolutely. Haley's in the house. All right, so looks like I got a bunch of titles for Beetlejuice. Sweet. Can I click on more info? Oh, look at this. Look at this card. Look how much info I get in this card. That's nice. I like that. Okay, cool. You even let me be able to click on the image to see it larger if I want it. Oh, cool. You even got your little Rotten Tomatoes, which I wanted to do for mine too, but I didn't have the time. Wow, you even get a rating, the Rotten Tomatoes percentage, and Metacritic. I never heard of Metacritic, but looks like it's another sort of like grading scale. and then find out more so you have a link to the actual title. Oh, that's awesome. This is not basic, Claire. This is actually super robust. That's awesome. I love this. So let me see. Does it work if I click on a different one? Cool. So you definitely got the modal set up correctly. That's awesome. T2. Mighty Iron Elf. So what are we doing? So about a month ago, we decided we were going to build something as a community, and we chose a movie search app. So I gave everyone a month to kind of work on a movie search app, just build out whatever they want to do, as long as it's some sort of movie search app. And everyone built out their own project. And here we are a month later, we're going to review everyone's work and just kind of go over it. So many different developers and designers here, so it's kind of cool to see how everyone approached it differently. We just did Soli's, which hers was a design and it was super slick, very clean, and now we're on Claire's. Oh yeah, I kind of forgot. No worries. The function is functioning. Getting the ratings was a bit fafy. Top tip from better half to help with it, as was getting errors. I like all this, having all this info here. Definitely more robust than my I have some sort of like a more info menu on mine, and I really wish I had more time to put more stuff, but I didn't. Claire, did you what API are you using? IMDb? Because I feel like I didn't have all this information with mine, and I chose to use the movie database API. I'm assuming you did IMDb since it's got a link to IMDb. Oh, OMBD. Yeah, I never checked that one out. Well, I think I tried initially and I was like, I didn't like the way it worked, but apparently it did have a lot of info, and it was a user error. I'm the user. I was at error. This is sick. I really, really like this, Claire. And like extra props, like I said, because it's mobile friendly. So far, from what I've heard from everyone, this is the only mobile first one. Shame on us. Shame on us. Oh, okay. So you used OMDB and then you had to do a separate fetch to get more info from IMDb. That's awesome. That's cool. I would have never known. This is so like just seamless that I would have never known you're pinging two different APIs. That's awesome. Good job. Pigeon the Doctor. Hey, what's up? Joined the Discord a few days ago, but I'm looking forward to working on the next project. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, the more the better. This is going to be a fun little series. I'm very excited for it. For sure. All right. Yeah, very, very sick project, Claire. You did awesome. Especially after, what, I think you said you haven't worked with JavaScript in a while. So this is your first project back in it. Super nice. I'm impressed. Good job, Claire. Good job, good job. All right, let's take Claire out of the array since she already went. We're gonna see who's gonna go next. The Discord community's great, sure is, but I'm biased. I think same API from OMDB. Just have to do a different call. To be honest, I probably could have just done one, but here we are. Hey, I've seen so many like memes about like, hey, this is my code and it works. And it's like a pool with a bunch of holes and there's just duct tape everywhere. It's like, you know, it might not be done the most secure or best way, but it works. And that's all that matters. It works. Everyone's biased. Not coded for 6 months and you built that. And then, mind you, she built this in like a week. I don't think she knew about the community events till like just recently. So good job, Claire. Good job, good job. All right, so I took Claire and I took Soli out of the users list of who's left. So we're about to run this again, see who's gonna go next. You guys ready? All right, let's see. Dan, we got Dan next. Let's go, Dan. Let's see your work. Do you want to DM it to me or throw it in the chat? movierecapp.replit. Hold on, okay, whew, almost had a sneak peek. Before I click on it and we see it, is there anything, do you want to like explain anything? How it was built, what'd you use, anything like that? Or do you want to just dive into it? Completely up to you. I used Replit AI agent because I started yesterday. So what is Replit AI for those that don't know? I don't know. I've heard of it, but I don't know. What website or app do you guys use to create your projects? For me personally, lately I've been using React or Next to build my stuff. I'm still trying to learn both, so it's been a good way for me to kind of practice. Oh, but if you want to know about these, Haley, if you want to know about these projects, it's built with whatever you want. You can just come up with a design if you want. You can build it in code. It could be in any tool, library, code base that you want. Just all for fun. We're just having some fun. Only thing I could ever find to use is the Treehouse workspaces. Well, workspaces is kind of tied to like an actual course or a unit. So since this is like completely separate, it's just we use like if you're wanting to code it, you could use like a VS Code or something like that. Oh, you built this in a day. The AI did. I just talked to him or her through it. All right, so this is a product of Dan's prompts. So let's check this out. Let's see how good AI can get. Oh, wow. This looks super sick. Very clean, very professional. Oh, I like this title. What We Watchin'. Very modern title here. What We Watchin'. Oh, wait. Replit, I didn't read this. Replit is an alternative to GitHub, similar to Host Code, and has Cloud IDE, but they have an AI agent that helps you build apps now. Wow, that's pretty cool. This looks super clean. I'm loving the color scheme and the color palette for this. Very, very simple. All right, what do I want to do first? I want to click on one of these. Does anything happen if I click? Oh, nice. Comes up with a card. Wait a second. Okay, the way my screen looked, it looked like it animated into this. Okay, so it's routing. That's really cool. It actually has routing. I see the URL up here changed, so that's cool. Very nice. I did not know you could do all this with AI. Maybe I should be worried for my job. Hopefully not. Look at that revenue on this. Lots of info. Which database did you use, Dan? I think AI likes Dan more than you, Dustin. Oh, absolutely. I mean, if anybody's used to any of my streams, I treat AI very poorly. I yell at it. The movie database? Nice. Nice, nice. Yeah, you know what? I'm realizing that the movie database is what I use too. I did not get all of this info out of there. I must have not looked at the docs too well. I couldn't get all this info. I couldn't do it. You can search as well. I finally got that working. Okay, sweet. Let's search. I'm gonna type in SpongeBob because why not? Oh, that's cool. I like the drop down here. That's cool. I did not even think to implement something like that. That's neat. I like that. Oh, this is cool. All right, so we got movies. Okay, cool. So when we go to the movies route, we can filter by genre. We can do comedy. Does it work? Okay, so the filtering doesn't work. Oh, wait. Oh, it does. I just have to click it. That's cool. Dude, this is nice. That's crazy that you got AI to build this too. So convenient to search like that. No, it really is. For sure, because maybe, you know, like I'm looking at some of these right here, and I want to see something like maybe the platform instead of the platform 2. See, and now I can do that, and I still can see the old movie. So that's really good UX. I like that. And if I want to click it, I can click it. Nice. Log in, register. Oh, wow. Does this register feature work? Can you actually log in? Or are these just kind of placeholder forms for the UI? I feel you, Dustin. AI hates me too. AI has not been nice to me. But I also don't know how to prompt it as well as Dan, obviously. They call Dan No Code Dan for a reason. It doesn't work. You'll get an error. It worked originally, but broke when I updated the UI. Ah, okay. Is this part of the base code base that broke when you updated? That sucks. That's still really cool though. Super sick UI. Is it okay? Is it mobile first? Oh, it is. Well, kinda, sorta. Probably a lot better than mine anyway. This is crazy work, No Code Dan. What's up, Westons? Welcome. AI tries to gaslight me into thinking 1 + 1 = 3. Hey, that's facts right there. I've had AI tell me something and I thought it was true and it wasn't. Many times on stream at that. You guys have seen it. The OGs know. This is nice, Dan. Super sick. Like, I feel like I'm on like an actual movie site with these colors. I don't know what it is about red. Maybe it's just like just something to do with theaters. I don't know. Red just lets me know I'm on a movie site. If that makes sense. Does that make sense to anyone else, or is it just me? Also, let me make this full screen. You guys could keep seeing. Can I do this left or something? There we go. Now you guys can see a little bit, the chat a little bit better. Thanks, y'all. It was a battle to fight with AI, including trying to cast light into working past limit throttles. Staying up late and working through was worth it. Here we are. Dude, this is sick. This is so cool. And it's set up in such a way that you can really keep adding to it too. That's awesome. Is there any other feature on here that I did not check yet before we go on to the next one? I want to make sure we hit everyone's features for sure. I really like this more info card. Ooh, is that a back to top? Oh, nice. You do have a back to top feature. Cool. Nah, that's everything. That's awesome, Dan. I'm blown away at how much you can do without actually like coding and just prompting AI. I don't know. I think I'm more biased to this being so cool because I've never had AI work well for me. Not like this anyway. Yeah, it was in the corner, but then it made it into a footer. I like it, and I liked it. Yeah, I like it. Especially when you start scrolling down, like it's red. It's different from the rest of the UI, so when you get to it, it's like noticeable, you know? Now I'm even more eager to get to those AI tools workshop Dan did teaching us how to use it. Yeah, for sure. Dan's selling his own product here, basically, you know? Yeah, this is super awesome, Dan. Good job. Good job. All right, who's next? Who is next? Let's take Dan out of the array. All right, so we have Rohal, me, Casia, Travis, and Matt next. All right, who's it gonna be? Let's run this program. npm app.js. Oh wait, what happened? Oh wait, node app.js. I'm stupid. Travis. The randomizer better not close out the stream with mine. Haha, pretty. Yeah, it chose you. Let's get it, Travis. Do you want me to just share the screenshot, or do you have like a repo? Oh wait, I think you DM'd me it. Yeah, you did. You want me to just pull it up? Oh no. Is it the trending that didn't work? Okay, yeah, you sent me the URL at trending on the back end of it. I don't know if you meant to or not. Told you. All right, let's look at this. Sick. I like this. Oh, okay. Oh, this is what you guys were talking about in Discord. You guys got the same header. What you watching? I like that. It's very modern. And you got the little popcorn icons over here. Make sure this is all... Okay, yeah. It's zoomed in right. So one thing I am noticing with this one as well as Dan's, you guys have the same movies coming in. So you guys definitely... I can tell you guys definitely use the same API. That's for sure. Hello transition effects. I know, look at these. I like how these... So how did you do this, Rohal? How did you do this, Travis? Is it just like set at a lower opacity and then on hover it's full opacity, or did you use like a filter? Wow, I haven't used filters in a while. This is cool. I bet we'll see those movies in more projects. Oh yeah, for sure. I feel like everyone pretty much used the same, either, you know, within like one or two of the same APIs. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly. To what? The opacity or the filter? Oh, okay. Opacity and scale transition. Yeah, that's sick. It's so subtle too. It looks like you're shining like a light on it, but it doesn't look like it doesn't have opacity initially. So that's really cool. I like that. Ooh, I like the glowing effect on this too. Y'all see that? Ah. Look at that glowing effect. Okay, that's cool. How'd you do the glowing effect? Is it a text shadow? I feel like it's a text shadow. Can't go wrong with Deadpool. Absolutely not. I love me some Deadpool. Dude, I'm really liking that glowing effect. Yeah, text shadow, that's cool. I haven't used text shadow. I know about it, but I've never used it. All right, let's click on Deadpool. All right, so this isn't working. I don't know if you knew this wasn't working or not. I know you said you had some issues with your app. Ah, still got Dan's up. Is it for all of them? Yeah. If I knew this, I would have defaulted mine to top rated. Haha. I think I did top rated too on mine. I think. But I think I used like a random... You guys are assuming it's mine. I don't want to spoil it. True. So we got trending, top rated, now playing. We got upcoming. That's cool. And then my list. I know you were going to do something to where it always defaulted to Mac and me. That's funny. It's the only thing in your list. It's the only thing that matters. Mac and me. This is pretty cool. Strange. What did you build this with, Travis? Kind of want to redo mine with the movie database now. Haha. Well, you sure can if you want. No one's stopping you. Hey, just so everyone knows, Soli's design is there for the taking. If anyone wants to rebuild it and use something different. React Tailwind. React Tailwind and React Router DOM. Nice. Nice seeing a React project. You did pretty good. Did you like using Tailwind? I'm a huge Tailwind fan. Makes things so easy. Or much easier, I should say. Claire said I may just. Yeah, I really like this. It sure is up for the taking. Not sure why the live version isn't working, but the detail page really isn't anything fancy yet anyways. I gotcha. Travis, have you worked with Next.js yet? I don't think I've really got much experience with Next, but I use it solely for routing purposes. Dude, the routing is so easy with a Next app. I used it for mine. I'll show you when we get to mine. I've never learned React Router yet because every time I tried, everyone was like, no, just go learn Next. So I went and I learned Next, and it's so nice, so clean, so easy. No, I haven't worked with Next. I really want to play with that or Remix, though. I've heard of Remix. I want to try Remix out, too. Yeah, if you ever start working with Next and you want some help, just let me know. Dude, this is a super cool project. So far, everyone's has been kinda responsive. Let's see. All right, this is pretty much responsive. I'm gonna give it an A for responsiveness if in the browser, the smallest I can go, everything's still legible, and it is. So we're gonna give Travis an A on responsiveness for this one. Ah, man, do I need to learn Tailwind now? Tailwind's awesome. You should totally learn Tailwind. You should totally learn anything you want to learn. Tailwind is super great. Tailwind really comes in handy when you start using things like React and whatnot, because you kind of already have like a huge code base when it comes to things like that, and having like separate sheets, component sheets and things like that. Sweet, thanks. My newborn seems to know when I wanted to work on this after work, so this week I didn't have much time to it yet. That's what I'm saying. You got to teach him JavaScript and whatnot so you can work whenever you're not working. That way you get work done 24 hours a day around the clock. You know what I mean? Yeah, I agree with Rohal here. Super nice work. Been too scared to try React. Hey, same. I learned React like just a few months ago, and I just started going at it, and if I failed or messed something up, I'd Google it, and I eventually just got pretty comfortable with it. I definitely think I could learn a lot more and do things a little bit better, but that's all in the fun of learning something new and practicing. Travis's code shows how you can keep it simple and clean and still make your design pop using interaction design. Yeah, my favorite part, I'm not gonna lie, I don't know why I'm so dead set on this, but dude, this glowing effect is so nice. Super clean, super clean. Good job, Travis. Good job, good job. All right, I'm gonna take Travis out of the array. All right, we're down to 4. We got Rohal, we got me, we got Casia, and we got Matt. Which, by the way, Matt's not here, but he did send me his repo to go over it whenever we get to him. So, are you guys ready? You want to see who's next? It's Matt. I swear. Let's see. Where's his repo? All right, let's clone this thing down. Oh, he called his Stream Sphere. I like that name. I like that name a lot. All right, let's open this up. Looks like he did it in vanilla JavaScript, so sweet, should be easy to open. What do you call it? Stream Sphere. All right, you guys ready? Hold on, let me see if he sent me anything so I can preface this with anything. Nope, he didn't preface it with anything, so we're gonna get straight into it. You guys ready to see Stream Sphere? You could download it now from the app. No, I'm kidding. Let's see it. Oh, seems like we're all going with the same kind of color palette, that darkish blue. Which chat room on the Discord do you use to talk about these projects with? We set up a channel in the community section called community projects. So anything and everything related to this is going to be in community projects. All right, so let's see. So new movies doesn't work. We got popular. Okay. Ooh, I like how big these cards are for sure. Yeah, we could definitely tell we're all using the same API. Maybe next time the project will be building an API or something. Okay, look at him paginating this. I like that. Pagination. And if I scroll all the way to the bottom, I got pagination buttons down here too. Nice. Nice job. All right, TV shows. Nothing happens. Movies. Nothing happens. Ooh, I had a loader. Pop up. I wonder if there's an error or something. Let's check. Oh yeah, we got some errors. We got some errors going on here, Matt. Let's refresh. Oh yeah, tons of errors. Fetching movie details. Okay, looks like you're trying to loop over something and it can't. It's undefined. No worries. Hey, we can go see popular titles, which is all that matters, right? Can we click on? No, we can't click on none of these. Let's see if we could search. Can we type in Deadpool? Can I hit enter? Okay, no, search doesn't work. No worries. I really like the, it's super simple and I really like the pagination. Would you call this pagination? Yeah, you would. It's just next and previous buttons. Cool. Yeah, I honestly thought I would see a little bit more pagination in some of these projects, so kind of cool. Matt's the first one. I like that Matt included the info on the cards. No need to click. Yeah, for sure. You don't even need to click to read about it. Something I wish I would have done too. Because we are making, the way mine is, when you click, you'll get the info in a modal or something and gives the user an extra click. But it's all right here for us. Nice. All right, let's see. Last check. Is it mobile friendly? It is not. Oh no. All right. You get an F minus for responsiveness. But don't worry, I'm going to get an F minus for responsiveness too, so it's all good. Travis bonk. Yeah, this looks pretty cool. Love it, love it, love it. I know for sure my next project will be completely mobile first. Oh yeah, absolutely, me too. I feel like we should we should have prefaced the whole community projects with it should be mobile first, but it's all at the discretion of the developer. We'll give it that. So if you choose to make it mobile first, great. If not, that's cool too. We should up our game. Yeah, we really should. Isn't it in the way we learn Treehouse mobile first? It absolutely is. I just didn't think I would have enough time when I was building mine to implement mobile first, because I kind of bit off way more than I can chew with mine. So that's my reasoning. So far, pretty much everyone except this one has been mobile first, or at least mobile responsive, which might be done out of the box if using Flexbox or Grid or something like that correctly. So yeah, but good job, Matt. Good job, good job, good job. All right, we're gonna take Matt out of the list. Now there's 3. Rohal, Dustin, which is me, and Casia. All right, let's see who's next. You guys ready? Hold on. Mobile is usually just keeping everything display block, have it stacked on top of each other, aka boring. Yeah, pretty much. But I will say the more elaborate you go with your build or your design, probably the more just stacking on top won't make sense. Desktop layouts are so much more fun though. Oh, I absolutely agree with that statement. It's really annoying sometimes to build for mobile because you have to figure out how to hide content because you don't have as much real estate, you know? Yeah, good job, Matt. Super awesome. I love all of these so far. These are great. All right, we're going to run this. We're going to see who's next. It's either going to be me, Rohal, or Casia. Rohal! Let's go. Let's go. Let's see, Rohal. Did you send me your repo, or are you going to put it in the chat? You could do either or. Just let me know if you send it to me through a DM, though. I'll have to make sure to open Discord. I'll share a live link to staging, as set up locally might be a bit of a hassle. True that. Okay, love the name, Plot Twister. Ooh, I'm loving this UI. Welcome to Plot Twisters. Rewrite cinema history one ending at a time. Ooh. Is this more than just a search app? Row. I have a feeling that Dustin is purposely saving it. Hey, I'm not doing anything. Don't come at me. Come on now. It's, hey, you guys see the code. There's nothing funny going on here. It's all random. I promise. Luxurious. Mobile is pretty much non-existent and light mode needs some work, so better stick to dark mode. All right, you can make me want to click light mode. Hey, light mode looks good. Hey, for the most part, this is pretty responsive. At least your landing page. This is very clean. Very, very clean UI. Very modern looking UI, I might add. Does login do anything? Can I log in? Oh, I can log in. Does the auth actually work? Will it let me log in with GitHub? Needs work. It ain't perfect in light mode. Nah, I think light mode looks pretty great. So far. Yeah, light mode looks... I don't like light mode for anything, and this actually looks pretty sick. GitHub doesn't work. It's in state. Okay, cool. Still pretty cool that you have it. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. Look at this. Look at this. Hold on. Let's zoom in. Look at this. It's the little things. I love this. I'm a sucker for any animation, especially the minimal ones that really aren't much, but they do a lot, like this. You know what I mean? Look at this. I could do this all day. Plot twisters. All right. Let's go back. Hold on. So wait. When I click this, does it just go to movies? Where's the landing page? I want to read this. I didn't read this yet. Plot Twisters is a web application that allows users to discover movies, view details about films and actors, and create and share alternate endings for their favorite movies. Excuse the boring landing page. I'll promise I'll make it better from here. I like the disclaimer. Unleash your creativity. Discover and explore, dive into a vast library of films from every era and genre. Rewrite endings, craft, and share your own alternate endings. I'm interested in this. Is this something I can do? Or does this not work? This sounds cool. Coming soon, themed contests. Weekly themed contests for alternate endings, exclusive submission process for content entries, community voting period for each contest, spotlight showcase for winning entries. Get ready for exciting new features that will spark your creativity and bring your community together in thrilling cinematic challenges. Dude, this is like a full-on landing page. You really gave the landing page everything. Start your cinematic journey. Okay, so this takes me to basically what happens when I click this. That's cool. I feel like a kid on Christmas. There's so much to do here, and I'm excited. Thank AI for the landing page. Yeah, it sounded kind of AI, but hey, that's content, right? It's content on the page. All right, what does this button do? Nothing? What's this button do? Oh, is this contests? Okay, so this is your two views. You got movies and you got contests. Oh, dude, this is so cool. You built like a full-on like starter. you built a startup. Let's go use the bots. The alternate ending is just a way of fueling a fangirl or fanboy obsession. True that. You can get whatever ending you want. Let's click on one. Let's go to Despicable Me 4. What happens? Oh, dude, look at this. Look how sick this looks. Dude, you built like a full-on movie app. Wow, this is sick, dude. Design a movie detail page is from Matt Wadjus on Dribble. Ooh, that's beautiful. Dude, this is sick. I like this. Can I watch it? No way. I can watch this? Oh, it's a trailer. Dude, that's so cool. I didn't even think to add the trailer. I'm curious how you did this. Is this from the API, like a link to a trailer? Or did you do some sort of magic? Totally borrowed that design. Hey, don't worry about that. I borrowed sections of my design from multiple like inspirations on Dribble. The movie database. Dude, I didn't see that. And I use the same API. This is so cool. Like, how convenient is this? You can pull up the actual video. Try the watch, but don't tell me. Don't tell me. No way. Oh, I thought I could watch it from here. Dude, that's still pretty cool. It gives you everywhere that you can go and watch it. That's nice. You know what I really like too? I really like the way that you did this, the votes, or I guess like the, what do you call it? The grade? No fair. Rohal went into the future, knew we were going to be doing this community project, and started doing this 2 months ago. Had to have. Dude, this is cool, man. I want this to work so I can actually use this. That's sick. Dude, I really like how you have like the cast sitting up here. And then you got more titles like this, all with their rating, just enough information. Can I click on any of these? And I can click on them and go to dude, this is a full-blown like little startup. You're about to compete with Netflix with this one. Rohal came for the crown. Sheesh. Yeah, dude, this is pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie. This is awesome. This is so cool. The storyline are alternate tabs for the ending. No alternate endings have been created yet. Be the first to write one. Let's go to a movie I know, and let's see. Well, let's see if the search works. We'll search something that I know. Maybe Shrek. Let me see Shrek. Dude, this catalog of titles looks awesome. Oh, so you'll have to sign up though. The contest on the menu bar though. Dude, this is so cool. Seriously. Like, I hope like after today, you don't just like abandon this and you just keep building this. This is so nice, dude. So alternate endings. So prompt. Frodo. Okay, educated guess. Frodo takes the ring and goes. All right, props for a Hobbit reference here for sure. How many Shreks are there? Dude, there's a lot. There's a lot of Shreks. There's a lot of Shreks. Yeah, there's a ton of Shreks. So I have to submit this. It won't actually do anything until I sign up. That's still pretty cool. Let's check out this light mode. Oh, okay, I see what you mean. It needed a little bit of work. It didn't for the landing page, but this is still pretty cool. Just sign up. Let's do it. Wait, hold on. All right, I'm back. Where do I sign up at? It'll send you an email with verification code. Good Lord, dude. You really did create a little mini startup, didn't you? Let's do it. Alternate endings. Shrek has Shrek breaks his arm and I don't know. Shrek breaks his arm. Let's do that. Title: Shrek and his problems. Oh, wait, I can generate? Will that work? Does it work if I click generate? Who wants to be like Rohal? I want to be like Rohal when I grow up. All right, so can I click on any of these cast members? Does it take... Oh, man. Dude, look at how involved this app is. You even have a route for people. I thought about doing the same thing, but I didn't have enough time. Dude, this is pretty sick. This is crazy. You went way above and beyond. Not responsive though, is it? Probably is. For the most part, it is pretty responsive. I give this project a 10 out of 10. Dude, this is awesome. Oh, and look, just like Matt, I was hoping I'd see some more pagination. This is cool. Look how many results. Oh, okay, so I can even filter this whole page based off of either popular or top rated. Kind of glad my project didn't follow this one. I know, right? Still nowhere near where I wanted it to be. Well, listen, I think I speak for all of us when it is where you want it to be, that you let me know and we share this, okay? I'd like to review this again when it's finished, because I feel like this is already finished. This is so involved. Dude, this is awesome. Such a cool project, dude. We're all invested. Is there anything on here that I missed that you want me to call out and look at before we go on to the next one? Ooh, this didn't load for me earlier, but now it is. Plot twister contests, where your imagination rewrites Hollywood. Nice little join a challenge, CTA. Welcome to the ultimate cinematic playground where you become the master of alternate realities. Ever watched a movie and thought I could have ended that better? Well, now's your chance to prove it. I'm gonna call out Game of Thrones had a terrible ending, and that would be the first thing I do at this. Why join our challenges? Casia, I can't follow this either. Me and Casia are screwed. We should have went first. Unleash your creativity, break free from Hollywood's constraints, and let your imagination run wild. Gain fame in our community. Your twist could be the next big thing everyone's talking about. Win awesome prizes, from bragging rights to actual rewards. Victory has never been sweeter. Now we can fix every single Stephen King movie adaptation's ending. You're not lying. Dude, how was this not already like a thing, right? Like this seems like such a something like somebody would have made already. Yet I feel like this is the first time I've ever thought of something like this. All right, so 10 points straight off for just being super creative with this. Current challenges: Revenge of the Sidekicks. Ever felt the sidekick deserved more credit? Now's your chance to flip the script. Rewrite a famous movie ending where the sidekick steals the show and becomes an unexpected hero. Okay, cool. So even these challenges have like an ending date, which is pretty nice. Featured movies. Join the challenge. Does anything happen when you click join? Dude, I'm starting to agree with whoever it was that said you went into the future and started building this way sooner than I gave time for. Golly. This is like a full-on startup. This is really cool. Jeez, how to participate. Prizes and rewards. Participating movies. Can I even click on these? Submit an alternate ending for Lord of the Rings: The Return of the King. Movie details, title, release date, the overview, the prompt, the title, and content. Dude, this is crazy. I don't even want to go now. I don't know about Casia. I might take my name out of the list. Dude, this is awesome. You didn't give none of us a chance. You should have went last. Couple of long nights, not gonna lie. I feel ya. All I know is this is gonna make me come at the next project hard, for sure. If I have time. Time is my only issue, is just finding the time. I'm not very good at coding late at night. Luckily. Oh man, okay. Goodness. I was not ready for that. And Rohal had shared his project with me, like a super early version of it, and it was nowhere near that level of awesomeness yet. And it was still pretty awesome when he shared it. Yeah, the bar has been set. I don't know if I want to go. We're just gonna have Casia go next. We're not even gonna run the program. Y'all cool with that? That was early indeed. Can you put the link up so I can try this too? Yeah, I'm totally gonna play around with this after. I'm stealing that design. Casia, she put hers here. Do we even want to run this? I was just joking. We could totally run this and we can let the thing decide. Or if you want to go next, you can go next. Completely up to you since it's just us left. Do you want to go next or you want to run the random user program? Oh man, do you guys hear the leaf blower? My lawn care guy's here. He should be away from my office window here. Got a meeting at 2, so I can go next. Okay, cool. We're gonna close out this app. All we got left is me and Casia, and we're gonna do Casia next. Let's do it. Let's see what she's got. Let's see what the name is. Flix Finder. Ooh. Okay, hold up. First off, this nav bar is genius. It's a roll of film. How cool is that? I love that. I really, really like this nav. That's a really cool idea. How did you do that? I'm very curious. Okay, so it's part of the header. Okay, so you did a conic gradient. That's very, very genius. That's pretty awesome. I really like this header. Super, super clever. I agree with Dan. That's a nice touch for sure. And the icon in the title. Also, Flix Finder, perfect name. I love that. I googled it to get the header style. Hey, that's perfect. That is awesome. I love that. Is it mobile first? It's mobile first. All right, so look, we have our first genuine mobile first project here. We even have, oh, cool. We even have a really nice little hamburger menu here. This is sick. What is Sling Thriller? Sling Thriller? Where do you see that? Of course, Soli loves the green. Or Sing Thriller. Sorry, Sing Thriller. Oh, that's a movie. I don't know. Let's click it. Oh, nice. We got a nice little modal. Oh, she did it too. She's got the whole trailer here. I really wish I'd have looked more into the API. I did not know that there was trailers. That's awesome. Good job with that. I like the modals too. Oh, wait. Look at that. You don't even have to get out of the modal to keep browsing. Okay, that's awesome. That's good. That's super good UX. Because before you'd have to click this, get out of it, click this, get out of it. Also, extra points for being able to click outside and not just the X to close that modal. Super good UX. There's a lot of great UX on this, I'm not going to lie. And I really, really like these movie cards. Very clean and minimal movie cards. Ooh, and I can heart it. Okay. You know, I really don't like green, but you made me like green with this. For sure. Oh, look at that. Everything that I just hearted is now in my watch list. Good job. And you can sort? Look at her. Wow. Okay, so you definitely got some great functionality on this for sure. Good job. Cards look great. Love the hover effects. That's sick. Okay, I'm blown away by this. It's such a simple feature, but I love that you can filter this. That's awesome. Good use of I'm assuming an array array what is it? Not an array function. Ooh, let's search. Look at the green, and she's got the glow on there too. Look at that glow. Oh, that's nice. All right, you guys with the glowing. Y'all know what I like. Let's type in Beetlejuice. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. Let me go back. Let me go to network. I want to see that. I'm going to turn my network to 3G. No, I'm going to do 3G. I'm going to refresh. Oh, no. I got to go back. All right. I want to see that loading animation. I just saw a loading animation. Oh wait, I gotta do this again. Hold on. Mobile version with that drop down menu was it for me? All right, network. I have it on slow. Do I need to do it again? Look at that cool loader. I like that. That's cool. Was that like an image or did you code that yourself? Really, really, really like that. That's cool. I'm gonna do it again just so you guys can see. Let's type in the sharks maybe, or Shrek. Let's do Shrek. It probably won't do it twice. Let me go and put my my network speed back. No throttling. Nice loader. Kind of want to be like Casia now. I know, right? Yeah, there's a lot of really good UX functionality in here for sure. I'm super loving this. Stolen from CodePen. I think I might be in the CSS comments. I really like it. And I'm loving all the info. I think my favorite feature though is probably got to be this. Just being able to cycle through all of everything that's on the page without having to get out of the modal. And also, you know what I really like too? I really like that the background's blurred, because that tells me this was not an afterthought. This was a before thought. If anyone's ever used blur before, you probably realize like you have to kind of figure out that you're going to do that beforehand, because if not, it's not easy to implement. I mean, you can still do it. It's just really tedious. So good thinking on that one for sure. I actually am not going to lie. I tried to have a blur effect on mine and it was an afterthought, and it ended up being too complex to implement because it was an afterthought. So I didn't do it. Good job. And then the watch list. Oh, wait, hold on. Did I just refresh the page and my watch list stayed? Nice. Are you uploading this to a database, or is this like local storage? I love the cast list edition. Yeah, for sure. Can we see the genres tab? Totally. This UI is sick. I love this UI. I hate green, but you did it so well. You did it so well. It's not like overload. Local storage? Cool. Look at these. Oh, man. This is sick. Oh, wait, and I can load more? No way. Do you have infinite loading here? All right, we got 2 startup submissions. I feel like this is a low-key a startup. This is cool. This is really neat. So true, that anxiety I get when I have to close, cycling through when I'm already there is so cool. Oh, for sure. Such good UX. User experience with this is just great. All right. Oh, wait. So not only can I browse by genre, but I can browse the genres based on movies or TV series. Oh, and then the list even updates. Oh, man. This is so clean. I love this. All right, this might be my new favorite series that we've done on stream so far. Like, for sure. This is awesome. Oh, man. I don't even want to go now. I just want to play around with everyone's apps. SpongeBob. And the trailer works. That's awesome. Oh, and you got the time limit. What API did you use? I don't know if I asked you already. I probably forgot. Oh, wait. I think it's in the footer. Oh, yeah. The movie database. I like the disclaimer down here, too. By the way, pretty much every single person's submission is worthy to go in their portfolio. Please, guys, put these on your portfolios. These are awesome. These are so good. The font choice for the headings was so well thought. Oh, for sure. I like it. Something else, too, that I noticed, she's using more than one font, and I feel like you don't see that often anymore. And it's a good way to, like, kind of call out your headers versus your nav items and things like that. Next challenge, make a portfolio. For real. Really awesome job. Yeah, I agree. This is super clean. I love this so much. So good. So good. Is there anything on here that I did not do that you want me to show, Casia? Before we go to mine? I think I'm the last one. By the way, is everyone okay with me re-uploading this stream up to YouTube? We typically do, but now that I'm showing other people's work, I just want to make sure everyone's cool with that. Would people be up for sharing code repos It'd be so great to see how other people have coded their projects. Yeah, for sure. I know I'm cool with sharing my code. Probably anyone who's cool with sharing their code, I'll put that in the description of the video when we re-upload too. That is all. It's my turn. Cool. I'm very excited for all of these projects. I had expectations, but they were more than met for sure. Rohal's like, I'm cool with that. I'll remove the AI functionality though. All right. Mine's last. Let's get mine open. I don't have it hosted and it is local, but since I'm sharing my screen, I figured that'd be fine. So I called mine Flixer. I don't know if I shared that with anyone or not. All right, I will have to open this up and like initially run it. Like I said, mine's full of bugs. So I'm gonna do exactly that. I'm gonna open it up, I'm gonna let it load, I'm gonna let it wake up, and then I'll share it. Oh, and you know what? I was actually... Oh, I didn't look at the code base, but it looks like she's, based on your fave icon, it looks like you use Vite, so good job with that. Oh, wait, you know what, too? I also noticed with Casia's, she even routed everything, too. Nice. What did you use, Casia? I didn't check the code base. Are you using React Router or Next or something? For the routing? It's ninja time. Drum roll. We all know it's going to be a great site, Dustin. I just realized I never gave it a title or a fave icon, though. It still says localhost. Let me make sure it's set up, though. React and React Router. God, that's a tongue twister. React and React Router. Cool. All right, so here's mine. It's Flixer. So I kind of was more worried about the functionality than like the actual app itself. Basically, what I was thinking of is let's have something that's kind of like Netflix or Hulu. I would love to create a fully fledged app and just name it localhost 3000. I know, right? For sure. Is anyone else feed frozen? Oh no, is the feed frozen for anyone? That would suck. I would hate that. Let me know. So the idea is like this is Netflix, but I wanted to gamify it, right? So typically you get on like Netflix or YouTube or Hulu or something and you just watch movies. Well, what if you had a friends list and you competed with your friends and everything you did within the app granted you XP? So maybe watching an entire series would give you like 100 XP, maybe 10 XP per episode. Maybe there's challenges where like if you binge something in an entire weekend, you get like 150 XP, blah, 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 blah. Everything gives you XP and you have a rank or a level and you can see all your friends' ranks and levels. And you could even have watch parties. I'm mentioning all of this because I didn't build none of the functionality of this out. So that's the only thing. I didn't have enough time to figure all that part out, but now that you kind of know the preface behind it, this is it. So you got your home screen, and you have your, kind of a preview here, which every time you reload the page, there's something popular up here. It randomly selects one of the top 15 most popular right now. And this right here is hard-coded, but it's 10 XP a movie. If you watch this, you're going to get 10 XP. And this is my friends list. B, S, and L, which is Brian, Soli, and Laura, plus 5 other friends, are watching this right now, which is kind of cool. You kind of get like a little live feed of it. You can click watch if you want to watch it. And click plus to add to your watch list. Unlike Casia, I did not have time to throw anything into my actual watch list, which is right here. But I am using not React Router. I'm using next to do the routing. So it does route to a new page, and my template is still this. So all of this stays the same, and just this page right here updates. The only one I had time to actually work on was settings, and this one doesn't work on line status, but does have a toggle switch. But dark mode does work. You know me, I always have to have my dark and my light modes, right? So the light mode works. I kind of got a cool little blur up here, but I wanted a blur on the whole page whenever you click on something. I did not have time to do it though, and it was an afterthought like I mentioned earlier, which kind of sucks. But yeah, let's go back to dark mode so we don't blind ourselves. So here's the friends list. You can kind of open it out, and it shows Brian. He's level 8, which is kind of cool. I can message him, and I can do some other options, or I can add someone new. I did not give any time to the friends list, so that's basically all that it is. But you can continue watching here. It shows your progress through. If you want to play it, add it to your watch list. You want to cancel it from here, you can do that. Give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. This is your list of everything that you're currently watching that's not finished. And this kind of just cycles through. And this is hard-coded based off of some things, so this isn't an actual watch list. And then down here, I've got more sections, which are hard-coded to just say, sorry, we couldn't find any of these titles because I didn't have time to get to this section, which kind of sucks. I wish I did, but I didn't. But the searching feature, so searching works. So you can come right here and you can type in something like, let's do Shrek since we did that earlier. So it'll say showing results for Shrek. In this view right here, we'll start to update. You have all your movies here first. It shows Shrek 2001. You can quick view it, or you can add it to your list. I do want to add a watch button, just never had time. It kind of sucks. And then you got your TV shows and then related titles for you based off that. Not sure how these are related titles, but it's been pretty accurate until this one instance, of course. But clicking the preview kind of just lets you still kind of see what else is on the page, but kind of gives you like a slide out drawer for it. Let you know that this is 10XP if you want to watch this one. You could play the movie, watch a trailer, or add to watch list, and gives you a quick description, but nothing super crazy. But yeah, anything that you click on is going to give you pretty much all their info in the drawer that opens up with it, which I think is pretty cool. You like the animation for the extra details? Yeah, what I did was I basically created a full page overlay with an opacity that animates in, and then after 0.5 seconds, the drawer that lives within the overlay slides out. So it's all set on like timing functions and whatnot, which kind of gives like a cool little thing. And I think it looks pretty good on light mode too. If we go back to it, yeah, pretty neat. I think it came out pretty good. But I have the bounce thing going, debounce. So if there's nothing here, it goes back to your main home view. And if you start typing something like SpongeBob, nothing happens till after like a few milliseconds. Then it pings that API. But yeah, and if there's nothing in one of these, like TV shows or movies, it just won't show the entire section. But this should still work. It should still ping the API and grab the extra data. I wanted to make these more robust and have more options, but again, as the theme suggests, I did not have enough time. Oh dang, that's clean and snappy. SpongeBob rules. Makes so much sense. Gamifying watching movies is such a great idea. Did you just use a set timeout or something for the search ping? Basically, yeah. So once a key is registered, it's gonna wait at least 3 seconds, and if there's no more keys being registered, then after 3 milliseconds, I think it's 3 milliseconds, it's 300 milliseconds, sorry, then it'll ping the API. So if I wanted to start typing like this, nothing's gonna happen. After like 3 milliseconds, it'll start, and then oh wow, I was just typing gibberish, but I accidentally spelled JFK in there, so cool, JFK works, that's cool. And you can come over here, you can get more information. Yeah, I think that's pretty much everything I had time to do. Like I said, each one of these routes to a new page that lives within like this template of the sidebar, the top bar, and all that. I just had not had a chance to do any of it except the settings, which kind of just gives you this. But one thing that I really, really liked about this app it was just one of my favorite features for whatever reason, is the blur on the header. I just think that looks so cool. It was like my favorite little thing. Whenever I got it to work, I was like, yes, this looks sick. But we're gonna start knocking off points because it is not very mobile friendly whatsoever. It's all broken now. Look at that. It's terrible, 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 terrible. But yeah, this is my app, guys. Yeah. Flixer. Who's going to be the highest level in Flixer? Soon, you know, everyone's like, add me on Instagram. Add me on this. Add me on that. I could just add me on Flixer. Very nice work. Nice. The blur is cool. Really dope. Thanks, guys. I think everyone had some awesome projects. This was a really cool little series, not going to lie. Hard code you at level. Let's do it. Let's do it. I'll show you how I got the friends set up. We're gonna go over here. Copy Laura. Name is Taco Travis. We're gonna do orange for the color. We're gonna be like level 100 with 99999 XP. Oh, this needs to be a string. Hold on. Look at Travis sitting right there. Look at that level 100. I've seen tons of non-mobile friendly apps, and here's tops. Well, thanks. Not bad for a non-mobile friendly app. That blur on the header was... I'm telling you, it's just my favorite thing about this whole app. I don't know what it is about a nice subtle blur, but that is just, it's just so cool. It's so cool, right? But yeah, kind of like Rohal, I have a lot more that I'm gonna do with this. I may steal some ideas from Rohal's app too, because that's too good to not ignore. That's some cool stuff. Or maybe I'll plug like other useful apps in here, and you can go to Rohal's from there. Oh no, you guys can't see me, huh? There we are. There we are. I got a blur / sticky header on a website I was making for a friend a while back, and it was definitely my favorite part too. Dude, isn't it so cool? Like when you just get it working, it just brings the UI out so well. And it kind of makes it pop too, because usually whatever's behind it is gonna have some color to it or just something. And it doesn't mess with the items on the header, nor do you have to have the header like a full solid background color, you know? You want to learn that blur effect? It's pretty easy with Tailwind. You literally just give the element an opacity, like a background with an opacity. Like I used white at like 80%, and then I just used the filter blur CSS and just set it for like 2 pixels or something. Now what's next? That's a good question. That's a very good question. Do you guys want to come up with the next project build today? We could totally do it. I'll add a copyright in the next commit. Fine. Oh yeah, everybody want, okay, whoa. Stop yelling at me. Everyone's yelling at me. No, I'm kidding. All right, well, let's do it. Let's we're gonna ping old Chat GPT. Though I think Dan should be the one to do it. AI seems to like Dan way more than me. All right. It might be how I talk to the AI, as you can see. I'm not very serious with it. Yo, me and my homies and homettes are building some pretty cool stuff. Probably better than you could ever build. But anyways, once a month we build the same project INDE. You know I gotta sing that little song to spell independent. INDEPE. Independent. Something like that, right? And I still spelled it wrong. Don't upset Skynet. That sounds like Brandon. Independently of one another. And then at the end of the month, we review everyone's submissions. It's really dope. We just finished the first month where we built a movie search app. What should we build next month? We have some people using vanilla JavaScript, some using React, and some just using Figma for a design. Give us 10 options for projects to build. Let's go. What we doing? Stepped away for a minute. We're coming up with the next project idea. I said, yo, me and my homies and homettes are building some pretty cool stuff. Hold on, I don't want no one to read ahead. Me and my homies and homettes are building some pretty cool stuff. Probably better than you could ever build. But anyways, once a month. Oh no, stop. But anyways, once a month, we build the same project independently of one another. And at the end of the month, dang, I misspelled so much stuff. No wonder AI hates me. At the end of the month, we review everyone's submissions. It's really dope. We just finished the first month where we built a movie search app. What should we build next month? We have some people using vanilla JavaScript, some using React, some using Figma for a design. Give us 10 options for projects to build. No finance tracker. I have been wanting to build a finance tracker for the longest time. I would love to do that. But Claire says no. I saw the first one in the response. I was just wondering what I was going to say. Probably better than you. It's probably going to ignore that part, Travis. It usually does. It doesn't like me. It doesn't play into my games. Weather app? Nah. We've done that already. I mean, we did a movie search app too, and obviously we did it super basic because it was on stream. But if we got a month to build something, I feel like there's not a single project we can't do something cool with. But hey, we're all going to agree on one thing here, so no worries. All right, let's see what the options are. A weather dashboard, an expense tracker, a recipe finder and meal planner. Ooh, kind of like that. A real-time chat app, a fitness routine generator, flashcard study app, habit tracker, a virtual art gallery, or an e-commerce product page. Oh wait, and a to-do list with categories. All right, do you guys like these 10 options? Do you want to re-roll, get 10 more options? Or do you guys want to choose something within here? Also, Casia, are you still here? I know you had to hop. I know you said you had a meeting at 2. Want to make sure you're still here so you can give your input. I'd hate to choose something that you absolutely don't want to do. Do I? Hold on. Rohal asked if I had the AI creativity set to 0. I'm sorry, is your creativity sleeping? Those suggestions actually suck. Got it. Let's ramp up the creativity. Y'all, there's no secret to why AI doesn't like me, okay? It's obvious I treat it like crap. All right, so oh, look at the first one. It's coming at me with this one. AI meme generator. That's a pretty cool idea. A music visualizer. A virtual escape room. AI-powered art critique. Stock market simulator. A dungeon crawler RPG. Okay, number 6 has my heart. That sounds fun. That sounds really cool. Interactive story generator. That also sounds pretty cool. A retro arcade game remake. That's cool. I could see Travis wanting to do something like that. Personalized music recommendation app. That sounds pretty neat. I do like that. Virtual co-working space. It said these should spark some wild ideas for your crew. All right, let me read the chat. Casia is still here. Sweet. We'll try to hurry this up so you don't miss anything. I know you got to go. I like the recipe finder, actually. Oh my God, don't talk to it like that. A music visualizer or a meme. Go back to the first list. 100%. Yeah, the second list is a little bit harder. My brother would love the retro game one. Haha, nice. I have an idea. You know, since we all have different levels of experience as well as time, would you guys want to all build the same thing, or would you guys want to build your own things and we all get super surprised at what we build? Maybe we could still keep it in the confines of the options given to us, but we could each do our own thing from these options. Could do that. What do you guys think? Same thing, same thing. Okay, everybody wants the same thing. Okay, same. All right, bad idea, Dustin. This is why I don't come up with ideas. Oh wait, I see you, Dan. Never gonna give you up. Yeah, he did just rickroll someone. He rickrolled Travis. What if we voted in Discord? It's a good idea. Create a poll. If we build that app, yes, that's all I'm doing. I feel that. Okay, do you guys want me to set up a poll in Discord? We could do that, and then maybe whatever has the most votes. All right, if we do that, can we at least narrow it down to like 5? That way there's not going to be like one person on each and we have like a 5-way tie. Narrow down to 5. Okay. What stands out? All right, everyone let me know what your 5 would be from the list of 20, I guess. I'm gonna go over them really quick. We got a weather dashboard, an expense tracker. And by the way, just so you guys know, you guys can make this as simple or as complex as you want, and you can even make it quirky. It doesn't have to be serious. You can do whatever you want with these things. So don't look at it for just what it is as a weather dashboard. You can, I don't know, you can do whatever you want, you know. Okay, so weather dashboard. We have an expense tracker, recipe finder, real-time chat app, fitness routine generator, flashcard study app, a habit tracker, virtual art gallery, e-commerce product page, or a to-do list with categories. That's the first 10. Could you maybe send a link to my profile on Discord because it takes a long time for me to find and get anything to work on? Yeah, sure. I could totally do that. I think you added me, so I think I got you my friends list. Yep. Yeah, so I'll send it to you. Claire and Soli says recipe finder and to-do list. I'm also down for that. So recipe finder and to-do list, that could be part of the 5 if you guys want. Let me go over the other 10. AI meme generator, music visualizer, a virtual escape room. Dang, I wish there was a place I could put this that's not in the Discord for you guys to all read these, because, I don't know, it might be easier that way. AI-powered art critique, stock market simulator, dungeon crawler, interactive story generator, retro arcade game remake, personalized music recommendation app. I kind of like that one. And virtual co-working space. Yeah, some of these are super involved in that second list because we, and by we, I mean Soli made the AI mad. It wasn't me. Weather, recipe, fitness, to-do, music recommend. Honestly, everything Claire just mentioned is my top 5. I really, really like those ideas. And I also like the e-commerce app. Ooh, Dan's got a good set of 5 too. Recipe finder, weather, e-commerce, meme generator, and music app. The meme generator sounds fun. Yay, I am Dustin. Love this set too. All right, so let's see. We got weather app, recipe, music app, trying to think which ones I had in common with those. Vote meme or music. Am I the only one that likes flashcard study app and habit tracker then? Honestly, no, I like all of these. It's not bad either. I vote meme generator. Okay, how about this? How about this? You guys give me the list of what you guys want. So, and we'll have AI pick, okay? How about we do that? So weather app, recipe app, recipe finder. We did the weather app, the recipe finder, e-commerce page, meme generator, and music app. And then which ones did Claire say that we didn't choose in that? The to-do app, and fitness tracker. And then I think Rohal mentioned a couple too. Rohal like the habit tracker. Let's do habit tracker. All right, is there anything else? I think this will be the best way. We'll list down the ones that we do like between the group, and we'll have AI choose one at random. Are you guys cool with that, since there's kind of a lot that we all like? Honestly, I feel like each one of these are solid options. I've got the creative juices flowing on these already. And flashcard study app. Let's add that one in. Flashcard study app. Yeah, do it. Sounds good. Works for me. Cool for me. All right. And then Casia with the nail in the coffin. Thumbs up. All right. So I got all these listed. These are all the options you gave me that my friends deem worthy. Pick one at random and we'll make it the best app you ever seen on the interweb. All right, let's go. Hold on. No, nobody read. Nobody read yet. All right, are you guys ready to see what we got? You guys ready? Anybody want to give a vote on what they think it's going to be? See who's right? And then I swear we'll do it. I know Casia got to go. You know what? I'm going to get a drum roll sound effect just for the stream. Am nervous. Am nervous too. All right, let's get it. All right. Flashcard study app. Will you clear this one the first try too? No, I won't. Especially because you wanted the flashcard study app. It's going to be Travi's taco tasting landing page. Nice. All right. Are you guys all good with the flashcard study app? If not, we can totally try to rerun it again. We can re-roll. We could tell the AI to do it again. Up to you guys. I'll let you guys make the decision. School flashbacks. Also, I want to challenge everyone with this next build. Instead of just building a flashcard study app, if that's what we end up doing, let's all find one unique way to make it quirky. You know, let's have some fun with it. If you want, let's find a way to make it quirky and unique. Okay? That way not everyone has, just the same old flashcard app. Which I think we did a pretty good job with the movie search app. Everyone really had like that kind of their own thing with it too, to an extent. It says, time to make the best study app the internet has ever seen. I'm down to run it. Going to be interesting to see how to handle it and make it different. Oh yeah, for sure. For sure. I won't put a poll in Discord since we kind of came up with it. So I am going to put some information about this next build in Discord though. And you guys should be able to see it. And we will meet back up in 4 weeks. You have no idea where to start with this. If you need any help at all, reach out in the community projects channel. I'm sure we can get you going, or at least get you started. DMs are open for designers that are up for a collab. Yeah, I could totally see a couple people working together on this. So, I will. Haha. All right, y'all. I'm super excited for this. Super excited. Casia, are you going to be down for this? Don't feel like anyone's obligated to do it again if you want to take a break, but I'm going to do it again. Also, I'm going to take a roll call in the Discord channel after I make the post about this. So if anyone is down to do this, mention it in the channel. Adios, Haley. Thanks for coming hang out. All right, guys. We are going to work on a flashcard study app. So in 4 weeks, the stream is going to be all about the reviews on this. But we're still going to stream every Thursday in between then. So same time, same place next week, guys. I'll see you guys here. And I don't know what we'll do. We'll see. We'll have to see what we're going to do next week. It'll be fun, though. We'll build something. But I'll make a post in Discord for this new community project. I'm super excited. See you guys next week. Thanks for all the awesome submissions. Yes, probably November 4th. 14th. Let me look at my calendar. Make sure. Let's see. 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, 4 week. Yeah, probably November 14th. All right, guys. I'll see you guys next week. Adios.